Hi everyone, in front of me I've got INFINIX Hot 60i and let me share with you how to change date and time on this device. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll all the way down to find the system. Then let's tap on date and time, and here we've got some options which are currently inactive. It is because we are using the automatic time and the time zone. So first of all, simply turn off all of those switchers, and now we can freely tap on date and choose it just by swiping. So first of all, the month, day and a year, and confirm it by tapping on OK. The same situation with the time, first of all hour, then minutes. You can also change it from AM to PM. Tap on OK. Here you can also change the time format, and this is the only format that we can actually customize in this device. I mean, we cannot change, for example, the date format. We cannot reorder months and days and years, but we can change the time format. Right now we've got the 12-hour one. If you wish, you can simply tap on the switcher to use 24-hour format. Under it, we've got the time zone, so just tap on select time zone, and here we've been transferred to the full list of available time zones from which we can choose. So simply find yours and then tap on it. It will be immediately applied. And the dual clock. So basically the whole idea of this feature is that your device will show you two different clocks. The first one from the place you're currently in, and the second one from any other place of your choice, which you can set right there in the home city. Here you can also decide where you'd like to display the dual clock, so on the lock screen and home screen, only lock screen or only home screen using the clock widget. Alright, and of course you can turn it off just by tapping on the switcher. So this is the whole manual customization of date and time, and of course if you wish to come back to all previous settings, just tap on those switchers right here. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.